Good morning, students. How are you? I think you will be fine at home. Students, in this video, I am going to explain first chapter of supplementary. First three passages I have explained in the previous videos, and now in this video, I am going to explain the fourth passage. In March 1878, he began to work on an electric lamp. In March, who is he? Edison. Thomas Alva Edison began to work in 1878 in the month of March on an electric lamp. So students, you have to remember that in 1878 he began to work on an electric lamp. People used candles and oil lamps in those days. Students, those days people used candles and oil lamps. Edison promised to give them electric light in 2 years, and Edison promised the people of America to give electric light in 2 years. When he said this, all the scientists laughed at him. And when he promised that he would give them light in 2 years, all the scientists laughed at him. They said that it was impossible. The scientists said that it was impossible for him. But Edison was not worried at all. He was not worried at all. He worked harder and harder. He kept on working harder. He performed 1,000 experiments, but all of them failed. He performed 1,000 experiments. Edison did 1,000 experiments, but all of them failed. All the experiments failed. But he did not give up hope. Edison did not give up hope. I must keep my promise to the people, he said to himself, and worked harder still. Edison said that he must keep his promise to the people. Edison decided to keep his promise. He said to himself, and worked harder still. And he started working harder, more hard. He was racing against time, and he was running against the time. At last he succeeded in making an electric bulb after nearly 1,000 experiments. 1,200 experiments. So students, here you have to notice this point or this line, that he succeeded in making an electric bulb after nearly 1,200 experiments. So after 1,200 experiments, he made an electric bulb. On New Year's Day 1880, he and his workers put up electric light in his laboratory. So on New Year's Day in 1880, students, this is also very important point to remember, that on New Year's Day 1880. In 1880, he and his workers put up electric light at his laboratory. He, not only Edison but also his workers also put up electric lights at his laboratory. People from all over America came to see that grand sight. People from all over America came to see that grand sight. अमेरिका से चारों तरफ के लोग या संपूर्ण अमेरिका से लोग उस महान दृश्य को देखने के लिए वहाँ आए. एडिसन had kept his promise to the people. Edison kept the promise to the people. On 4th September 1882, now this is also an important point, students, you have to remember. On 4th September 1882, for the first time, New York shone in the brightness of electric light. So if it is asked that first time in which year New York shone in brightness of electric light, so your answer will be in 1882. And after 1200 experiments, after 1200 experiments, in 1880 Edison put up electric light at his laboratory. तो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर एक दो पॉइंट याद रखना है आपको कि लैबोरेटरी में उन्होंने अपनी लाइट को 1880 में जलाया था, ठीक है, और 1882 में पूरे न्यूयॉर्क में लाइट जलाई गई थी, इलेक्ट्रिक लाइट जलाई गई थी. ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं और दोनों इन पॉइंट्स में से एक क्वेश्चन निश्चित रूप से पूछ लिया जाता है बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम में. तो आपको ये दोनों पॉइंट्स आपको याद रखना है कि फर्स्ट टाइम लैबोरेटरी में 1880 में इलेक्ट्रिक लाइट जली थी और एडिसन और उसके मित्रों ने सहयोग से, एक दूसरे के सहयोग से इस लाइट को लैबोरेटरी में जलाया था. बट पूरे न्यूयॉर्क में अगर बात की जाए तो न्यूयॉर्क में 1882 को इलेक्ट्रिक लाइट जलाई गई थी. एडिसन सर्व्ड हिज Edison served his country during the First World War. He made 40 wartime inventions. Edison served his country during the First World War. So during the First World War, Edison served his country. He made 40 wartime inventions and was awarded a medal for his service. During the First World War, Edison made 40 wartime inventions and he was awarded a medal for his service. In 1929, the silver jubilee of the invention of electric bulb was celebrated in a grand manner. Students, you have to remember here also one more important point. In 1929, the silver jubilee of the invention of electric bulb was celebrated in a grand style, grand manner. The President of the United States of America received him and honored him. Students, in that celebration, in that silver jubilee celebration, President of America, United States of America, received him, welcomed him and honored him at a big function. और उस बड़े समारोह में उनका सम्मान किया. Edison got up at the function to thank the president but suddenly fell ill. So as soon as Edison got up at the function to thank the president of America, but at the same time Edison fell ill. his illness became worse, उनकी बीमारी और बढ़ गई, and he died on Sunday morning 18th October 1931, and on 18th October 1931 he died. So this is also important point, students. You have to remember, Edison was died on 18th October 1931. Thus ended the great and eventful life of man. इस प्रकार उस महान व्यक्ति thus ended the great and eventful life of a man. उस महान और व्यक्ति का जो जीवन है, जो हमेशा इवेंट से भरा रहा, घटनाओं से भरा रहा, घटनाओं से भरा हुआ जीवन, इस प्रकार उस महान व्यक्ति का जीवन अंत हो गया. Who enriched human life and happiness. जिसने मानव जीवन को खुशियों से भर दिया. He said once, I shall never invent anything which will destroy human life. Destroy life. Once he said, I shall never invent anything. उन्होंने एक बार कहा था that he will not invent anything or such thing which will destroy human life. I want to make people happy. He wanted to make people happy. He also said, the world has been a darkness too. He also said that world has been in darkness too long. उन्होंने कहा कि संसार बहुत समय से, काफ़ी समय से अंधेरे में रहा है. And he would like to give to the world more laughter and more light. And I would like to give to the world more laughter and more light. मैं संसार में लोगों को बहुत अधिक हंसी और बहुत अधिक प्रकाश देना चाहता हूँ. He kept his word. उसने अपने वादे को पूरा किया. उसने अपना वादा पूरा किया. His gramophone has brought us more laughter, and his electric lamp has given us more light. His gramophone has brought more laughter. उसके ग्रामोफोन ने बहुत अधिक खुशियाँ दी, हंसी दी. And his electric lamp has given us more light. और उसके इलेक्ट्रिक लैंप ने बहुत अधिक प्रकाश दिया. Today our country and the world needs more men like Edison. Our country today our country and the world needs more men like Edison. आज हमारे देश को एडिसन के समान बहुत अधिक लोगों की आवश्यकता है. एडिसन जैसे लोगों की आवश्यकता है. हमारे देश को एडिसन जैसे वैज्ञानिकों की आवश्यकता है. हमारे संसार को, आवर वर्ल्ड, हमारे संसार को, वर्ल्ड इज हेयर स्टूडेंट्स. टुडे आवर कंट्री एंड द वर्ल्ड, हमारा देश और हमारे संसार को, एडिसन जैसे महान व्यक्तित्व या महान वैज्ञानिकों की आवश्यकता है. एवरी बॉय एंड गर्ल शुड फॉलो हिज ग्रेट एग्जाम्पल्स. प्रत्येक लड़के को और प्रत्येक लड़की को उसके महान एग्जाम्पल्स का सामना करना चाहिए और फॉलो करना चाहिए. उनके दिए गए उदाहरणों को फॉलो करना चाहिए. बट स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स नहीं करना चाहिए जिससे जीवन को खतरा हो. सो आई होप यू ऑल हैव understood this explanation. Now I am going to tell you about the MCQs and true, false. First one is Addison bought toys and sweets with his pocket money. This is false. Friends, Addison bought books to read with his pocket money. Addison was a dull boy during his study. False. Addison was not a dull boy. Addison was fond of writing novels. No, this is also false. He was fond of reading books and doing experiments. Addison's parents encouraged him in his experiments. Addison's parents encouraged him in his experiments. This is true. Addison was never satisfied till he got the right answer. This is also true, students. Addison made the world happier and brighter. So, students, I hope you know this is true or false. Obviously, correct. This is true. Even is in his childhood, Addison loved to do experiments. Yes, true. In his childhood, Addison loved to do experiments. The next one is Addison said, I shall never invent anything which will destroy life. I want to make people happy. Edison said, I shall never invent anything which will destroy life. This is also true. I want to make people happy. Edison born in Canada. False. Edison was born in America. Edison found in his mother his best teacher. एडिसन ने अपनी माँ में ही सबसे अच्छा अध्यापक ढूंढ लिया. इट मीन्स एडिसन की माँ उसके लिए सबसे अच्छी अध्यापिका थी. दिस इज ट्रू और फॉल्स, स्टूडेंट्स? ऑब्वियसली दिस इज ट्रू. एडिसन वॉज अ जर्मन साइंटिस्ट. दिस इज फॉल्स. एडिसन वॉज एन अमेरिकन साइंटिस्ट. Now, multiple choice questions are there here, students. When Edison went on asking questions in the class, the teacher thought that he was trying to fool her. Stupid and naughty, very intelligent, arrogant. So, students, here, what do you say? She thought that Edison was a stupid and naughty boy. Next one is Edison's father gave him 25 cents for every book he read because he wanted Edison to read more books. He had failed in his all experiments. He wanted Edison to sell his books. He wanted to discourage him. So he wanted Edison to read more books. This will be the answer. Next one is Edison was called in White House after the discovery of radio, railway wagon, gramophone. So students, you know, after the invention of gramophone, he was invited in White House. Next is Edison succeeded in making electric bulb after carrying out nearly 2000 experiments, 1200 experiments, 1500 experiments. So students, what is the answer? 1200 experiments. Now, the next one is Edison died on 14th September 1886, 18 October 1931, 2nd November 1930, the 13th September 1918. So 18th October 1931 is his death date. He died on 18 October 1931. So next one is, when Edison tried his experiment on his servant girl, she began to fly, she began to tremble, she fell ill, she began to run, she fell ill. The next one is, Edison got a beating from his mother because he had smashed the eggs and spoiled his thoughts. He had hatched the eggs. He had eaten up all the eggs. He had sold the eggs. So he had smashed the eggs and spoiled the sorts. Sort. Edison told his teacher, but Edison told his teacher, but the kite have no wings, and still we can fly them in the sky. It was an intelligent answer, doubtful answer, silly answer, wrong answer, and intelligent answer. Edison was fond of Edison was fond of telling stories, playing games, making experiments, flying kites, making experiments. So in this way you have to do the other exercises, students. In the next video I will tell you the short answers of this chapter if any problem is there. Thank you. Have a nice day.